Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have iPhone 60 Plus and I want to show you how to enable or disable Find My Device function. First step to do this is opening Settings application. In it we must find our Find My Device selection. We can write it there. And first step we can turn on or turn off Share My Location to Find My application. But when we tap on Find Mine, we can turn on or turn off it to see my iPhone Find Mine. But to confirm it, we must enter our password to our account in iCloud. After you add it, you can turn off it or turn on it. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.